Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you something unusual on a tyre. What do you do when this happens to your tyre? As you can see now, the tyre here, you've got multiple bulges coming out from everywhere. So you've got like quite a few places, you've got bulges coming out. The reason that would come out, I'll show you once I've removed the tyre. Then you can see the tyre and I'll explain it better as well. Right, now that I've got the tyre out, as you can see on the inside, where the cords are exposed, so all the powder here, that's just the rubber bit all the way through. Now that's where the air is going through right there, as you can see, and it's creating the bulges. Here, thread's broken. Now the reason this happened, customer may have driven the tyre on flat, not realizing the tyre is flat. He then pumped it up, but where he driven the tyre on with no pressure in it, he's damaged the inner tyre. I mean, even though you can't see anything from the outside when it's deflated, but as soon as he inflated the tyre, you realise there were massive bulges on the tyre, which caused due to driving tyres on completely low pressures for quite a long time, and then this is what happens, as you can see right there. So just remember, just make sure you check your tyre pressure every fortnight. Whatever's the recommended pressure, do that, and this will never happen. Or don't drive your tyre on completely flat. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.